engineering.
Every legal AI redlining tool on the market works the same way. You upload a counterparty's contract. One AI model reads the entire document in a single pass. It generates all of its red lines at once. You get what you get. The result? Generic comments that opposing counsel immediately recognizes as AI-generated. Surface-level red lines. Missed cross-references between sections. Inconsistent terminology, red lines that actually conflict with each other, tightening liability caps in one section, while inadvertently widening exposure in the indemnification carve-outs of another. This is the structural ceiling of Single-Pass AI Redlining. One model, one pass, one set of markups, no specialization per section, no cross-section coherence review, no playbook governance. That ceiling does not rise with a better prompt. Taylor Legal Engineering takes a fundamentally different approach. We build swarm-based redlining architectures where parallel AI specialist agents attack your contract simultaneously, and a Cohesive Supreme Redliner ensures the final markup reads like one senior partner wrote it. Phase 1 is strategic decomposition. Before any redline is generated, an AI strategist reads the entire contract and performs strategic triage, identifying every substantive section, assessing risk and complexity, mapping dependencies between clauses, and determining which sections represent the highest risk and need the most aggressive review. Phase 2 is the parallel specialist attack. Based on the strategist's decomposition, the system spawns dedicated AI specialist agents for every substantive section. As many as the contract demands, each agent is an expert on its assigned domain and only that domain. The AI IP licensing specialist knows exactly what market standard technology licensing provisions look like and redlines deviations. The AI indemnification specialist stress tests who bears what risk and whether carve-outs align with liability caps. The AI data privacy specialist evaluates compliance obligations, breach notification timelines, and sub-processor management, every section under simultaneous expert review. These AI agents do not run sequentially. They attack in parallel. The IP licensing specialist is redlining Section 4 at the same time. The termination specialist is redlining Section 6 at the same time the liability specialist is redlining Section 12. Each one generates tracked changes with professional comments, the kind of substantive, counterparty-facing markup that opposing counsel expects from experienced attorneys. Now comes the architectural innovation that makes this system categorically superior. The Cohesive Supreme Redliner. After all AI specialist agents complete their parallel review, a single comprehensive AI pass reads every proposed redline, every comment, and the full original contract together. It performs 5 operations: conflict resolution, redundancy elimination, cross-reference validation, terminology standardization, and gap identification. The output: a coherent, partner-level markup where every tracked change supports a unified negotiation strategy. No internal contradictions, no conflicting positions, no terminology drift. Opposing counsel receives a document that reads like your best senior partner spent 8 hours on it. The deliverable is a clean DOCX with real-word tracked changes and professional margin comments ready to send directly to the counterparty. Partner-level quality at a fraction of the time. What used to take a senior associate 8 hours now takes minutes, at a quality level that single-pass redlining tools cannot structurally achieve. When you subscribe to an off-the-shelf legal AI redlining tool, you are renting someone else's workflow, their model versions, their update schedule, their generic redlining behavior. Your playbook stays in your head, or worse, you try to encode it into prompt instructions that reset every session. If they change their model, your red lines change. If they raise prices, you pay or you leave. When Taylor Legal Engineering builds a redlining workflow for your team, you get a working code repository delivered to your infrastructure, your playbooks encoded permanently into the system's redlining behavior, your positions governing every AI specialist agent, your data staying on your servers. Off-the-shelf redlining tools are a rental. What TLE builds is redlining infrastructure you own. Taylor Legal Engineering builds custom swarm-based redlining architectures tailored to whatever contracts your team handles most, whether that is SaaS agreements, M&A purchase agreements, venture financing, or anything else. Every engagement follows the same proven process: assessment, design, build, handoff, fixed scope, fixed price. You own the deliverables, including the playbook integration that makes it yours. Taylor Legal Engineering. We don't sell redlining software. We build redlining infrastructure. Let's talk about what we can build for your team.